Have you ever wondered what happens when a star dies? Or what would happen if you fell into a black hole? Black holes are some of the strangest, scariest, and most fascinating objects in the universe. In this video, we're going to break them down in a way anyone can understand. No complicated math, no physics degree required, just pure cosmic wonder. A black hole is an area in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. That's why it's called a black hole. It's invisible. But how do they form? Most black holes are born when a massive star much bigger than our sun runs out of fuel. When that happens, the star collapses in on itself, crushing all its mass into an incredibly tiny space. That tiny point is called a singularity, a place where the laws of physics break down. Around it is the event horizon, the invisible boundary. Once you cross it, you can never come back. Let's say you're a brave astronaut. What happens if you get too close? First, from the outside, you'd appear to slow down and freeze near the edge. Time would stretch, but you wouldn't notice. You'd keep falling. As you pass the event horizon, gravity would stretch you like spaghetti. Yes, this actually has a name. You'd be pulled apart, atom by atom, until you disappear into the singularity. Scary, yeah, but also kind of beautiful. If black holes are invisible, how do we even know they're out there? Great question. Scientists look at how stars move around invisible objects, or they detect powerful X-rays coming from material being pulled into a black hole. And in 2019, for the first time in history, scientists captured an actual image of a black hole's shadow using a network of telescopes around the world. That's right, we have a picture of the Not all black holes are the same. There are stellar black holes formed when massive stars die. Supermassive black holes, millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun, found at the center of galaxies. Intermediate black holes somewhere in between. And there is a new idea. Primordial black holes, tiny ones that might be formed just after the Big Bang. Could black holes be portals to other universes or time machines? Some theories suggest that Einstein's equations allow for strange possibilities like wormholes, tunnels in spacetime. Black holes are still one of the biggest mysteries in physics. The more we learn, the more questions we discover. You might be thinking, okay, cool, but how does this affect me? Well, black holes help us understand the laws of nature. Studying them teaches us about gravity, time, space, and even the beginning of the universe. In a way, black holes are like cosmic laboratories showing us what happens at the extreme limits of physics. So next time you look up at the night sky, just remember somewhere out there, in the darkness, is a black hole silently bending time and space. And yet, without them, we wouldn't understand nearly as much about our universe as we do. And remember, the universe is weird. Keep exploring it. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple, fun, and fascinating content about space and the universe. Until next time, stay curious and stay subscribed.